Did you know that your skin starts aging as early as in your mid-20s? Fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, it all seems inevitable. But what if I told you that there is a way to slow down the process and even reverse some of the damage? Hi, my name is Laila, and today I'm going to talk about the top supplements that are scientifically proven to keep your skin radiant, healthy, and youthful. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Number one, collagen peptides. When it comes down to reversing skin aging, collagen peptides are one of the most powerful tools that we have. This incredible protein is like glue to your skin, providing the structure that keeps it firm, smooth, and resilient. Unfortunately, starting in our mid-20s, our body's natural collagen production begins to decline. And this is why fine lines and wrinkles appear and skin starts to lose elasticity. Supplementing with hydrolyzed collagen peptides is like giving your skin a second chance at youth. The recommended dosage is 10 milligrams per day, taken consistently for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Over time, this can improve elasticity, smooth out your wrinkles, and deeply hydrate your skin. And it also supports healthy hair and healthy nails, making this a true beauty multitasker. And before we move on to number 2, don't forget to give us a like. But collagen does not work alone, and here is where number 2 comes in: vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only an antioxidant, it is also an essential partner for collagen production, because without enough vitamin C, your body can't produce collagen efficiently. Beyond boosting collagen, vitamin C offers its own set of skin benefits. It neutralizes free radicals, which speed up aging by damaging skin cells, and it brightens your complexion, leaving your skin with a beautiful glow. To maximize its benefits, opt for natural food-derived vitamin C supplements, such as from acerola cherries, camu camu, amla fruit, and avoid synthetic ascorbic acid. The ideal dose is around 500 to 1000 milligrams per day, split into several doses for better absorption. Together, collagen and vitamin C are a dream team that repair your skin from the inside and protect it from the outside. Moving on to number 3, a key player in the quest for youthful skin: hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a molecule produced by your body to keep your tissues hydrated and lubricated. And you probably have seen this in your skincare routine products, in your serums, in your creams, but taking it as a supplement works wonders internally. Think of this as a moisture magnet. It binds to water molecules and locks hydration into your skin cells, making your skin look plumper, smoother, and more youthful. For the best result, look for hyaluronic acid supplements with a molecular weight of 50 kDa to 130 kDa, as this range is most effective for skin health. A dose of 120 to 240 milligrams per day is ideal, and you'll typically notice improvements in skin hydration and elasticity within 4 to 6 weeks. Now let's talk about antioxidants, nature's defense against aging. Number 4, one of the most powerful antioxidants there is: astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a bright red compound derived from algae. It's been nicknamed nature's sunscreen because of its ability to protect your skin from UV damage, which is one of the leading causes of wrinkles, sagging, and uneven skin tone. Unlike topical sunscreens, astaxanthin works from the inside out, neutralizing free radicals caused by sun exposure. To see its full benefits, look for a supplement sourced from natural algae and aim for a dose of 4 to 6 milligrams per day. Over time, it reduces wrinkles, enhances skin elasticity, and gives your skin a smoother, more youthful texture. And for those who are struggling with dry and irritated skin, number 5 is a must: omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish oil or algae oil, omega-3 strengthen the skin barrier, keeping moisture in and irritants out. This not only helps prevent dryness, but also reduces redness and inflammation. If you've ever dealt with rough patches or sensitive skin, omega-3s can help restore balance and softness. Choose a supplement with at least 500 to 1000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day, and ensure it's sourced from molecularly distilled fish oil or sustainably harvested algae oil for purity and safety. These healthy fats also promote better blood flow to the skin, giving you that healthy, radiant glow from within. And number 6 on the list, zinc. This is an essential mineral for skin repair and protection. Zinc works behind the scenes to maintain your skin's natural integrity, ensuring it remains resilient against environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can soothe redness and irritation, making it especially helpful for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Look for a form of zinc that is highly bioavailable, and the recommended dose is 15 to 30 milligrams per day. Here is something important to remember. When you supplement with zinc, it is also important that you take enough copper, which is number 7 on the list. And this trace mineral is often overlooked, but it's very important for your skin structure. Copper activates enzymes that are necessary for collagen and elastin production, which are the proteins that keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. It also has antioxidant properties, helping to protect the skin from oxidative damage. A lack of copper can lead to skin thinning, premature wrinkles, and even pigmentation issues. You don't need a large dose, just 1 to 2 milligrams per day is enough to support healthy collagen synthesis, especially if you're already supplementing with zinc. If your multivitamin doesn't include copper already, consider taking it separately to ensure your zinc and copper stay in balance. And finally, the last one of our list, number 8, niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. This versatile nutrient does it all. It strengthens your skin barrier, which is essential for locking in moisture and keeping out harmful pollutants. It also helps fade hyperpigmentation and smooth out uneven texture, leaving your skin looking more even and refined. One of niacinamide's unique benefits is its ability to regulate oil production, making it great for people who struggle with combination or oily skin. For optimal results, take 100 to 200 milligrams of nicotinamide per day. It's gentle, effective, and works for all skin types, providing long-term benefits when taken consistently. Now, these supplements don't just work alone, they support each other by tackling aging on multiple fronts. And when you combine these supplements with a healthy lifestyle, so a balanced diet, proper sleep, good hydration, they can transform your skin health and you can age gracefully. Another tool that is great for skin health is red light therapy. And in the next video, we will tell you all about that. So make sure to watch it.